Did you know that the secret to preventing heart attacks could be sitting in your fruit bowl right now? That's right. What if I told you that eating the right fruits could save your life? Stick around because today we're diving into the top 5 fruits that can prevent heart attacks. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be running to the grocery store. Welcome to Life Fuel TV, where health meets happiness. Want to eat better? Move more? Feel amazing every single day? You're in the right place. From expert-backed nutrition tips to easy fitness routines and stress-free wellness hacks, we've got it all. No complicated plans, no gimmicks, just real, practical advice to help you live your best life. So hit that subscribe button, join our community, and start fueling your life with Life Fuel TV. Why fruits matter. Every 36 seconds, someone dies from heart disease. It's the leading cause of death worldwide. But here's the good news. Nature has given us powerful tools to fight back. Fruits aren't just delicious. They're packed with nutrients that can lower cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and keep your heart strong. So, let's get into the top 5 fruits you need in your diet. But before we dive in, let me ask you this. How many of you eat at least 2 to 3 servings of fruit every day? Drop a comment below and let me know. Now, let's get into the list. Fruit number 1. Blueberries, the tiny but mighty blueberry. These little blue gems are loaded with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which help reduce bad cholesterol and improve blood flow. Studies show that eating blueberries regularly can lower your risk of heart disease by up to 15%. Add them to your morning oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or just snack on them raw. Your heart will thank you. Fun fact: blueberries are often called brain food, but they're just as good for your heart. I remember my grandma always had a bowl of blueberries on her kitchen table. She lived to be 92, and I swear, those blueberries played a part. Fruit number 2. Avocado, the creamy, dreamy avocado. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't high in fat? Yes, but it's the good kind of fat. Monounsaturated fat, which helps lower bad cholesterol and raise the good kind. Plus, avocados are packed with potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Avocado toast, anyone? Your heart will love it as much as your taste buds. Here's a quick tip. If you're worried about avocados going bad, mash them up with a little lemon juice and freeze them in an ice cube tray. Perfect for smoothies or quick guacamole. Fruit number 3. Oranges. They are a powerhouse of vitamin C, fiber, and potassium. The fiber in oranges helps lower cholesterol, while the potassium keeps your blood pressure in check. Plus, the antioxidants in oranges protect your blood vessels from damage. Pro tip: eat the whole fruit instead of just drinking the juice to get all that heart-healthy fiber. Did you know that sailors in the old days used to carry oranges on long voyages to prevent scurvy? Well, turns out they were also protecting their hearts without even knowing it. Number 4. Pomegranate. Now, this one is a showstopper. Rich in punicalagins, which are super antioxidants that protect your heart by reducing inflammation and improving blood flow. Research shows that drinking pomegranate juice can even help clear clogged arteries. Add these ruby red seeds to your salads or yogurt for a heart-healthy boost. Here's a fun challenge. Try adding pomegranate seeds to your meals for a week and see how you feel. Drop a comment below if you notice a difference. Fruit number 5. Bananas. And finally, we have the humble banana. Fantastic source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and prevent heart strain. They're also rich in fiber, which keeps your cholesterol levels in check. Bananas are the ultimate on-the-go snack. Keep them handy for a quick heart-healthy bite. I always keep a bunch of bananas in my car for those moments when I'm stuck in traffic and need a quick snack. It's way better than grabbing a bag of chips. Before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tips to make these fruits a regular part of your diet. 1. Slice up your fruits at the start of the week so they're ready to grab and go. 2. Combine these fruits in a big fruit salad for a heart-healthy dessert. 3. Blend them together for a delicious, nutrient-packed drink. So, let's quickly recap. 1. Blueberries for antioxidants. 2. Avocados for healthy fats. 3. Oranges for vitamin C and fiber. 4. Pomegranates for artery health. 5. Bananas for potassium. Incorporate these into your diet, and your heart will thank you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone you care about, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-saving tips. Let's build a healthier world, one fruit at a time. See you in the next video.